if you need to remove screws from deckerboard or wonderboard when you do demo of a bathroom, and they basically are not just coming out on with these bits, like you can see right here, it's basically not biting. So what you can do, you just take a hammer and you loosen up that board, and then you can twist it like this and totally get a screw out then by your hand. Okay, and you can also do it with the hammer like this, but if you are not concerned about that plywood, you can just rip it then like this. So I have plenty to do, as you can see, so I'm just going to go like this. I'm trying to do it with the camera, so get to it, either get one out or if I want it nicer, the plywood underneath, so I'll just unscrew it while I kind of pull up or continue the pressure. That's pretty much it. Here it goes.